Bruce is starting on the thatched roof for this happening hut.
Okay, we're starting off on our cutting station. What we're going to do with this wonderful cardboard is we're going to turn it into thatching. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our yardstick and our black marker, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark up 16 inches thick.
Look at this cool technique Bruce is using to draw straight lines. He simply puts his marker at the end of a ruler and slides it along the straight edge of the cardboard. Easy!
Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a utility knife and we're going to cut that, and this is going to be our first piece of our thatching for our hut. And this piece of cardboard was a 4x8. Now you don't have to use a 4x8, you can use whatever size cardboard you have. So I'm just taking our utility knife, running it down my black line. Okay, what we're doing now is we're creating the thatching for on top of our hut. And if you notice what I'm doing is I have a piece of scrap foam here to cut on top of. That way I'm not cutting through any carpet or tile or anything like that. And then what we do is once we get that is we're going to take and we're going to kind of crumple these up a little bit. And then when that goes up on the roof and we layer section after section, it's going to look like thatching on our hut.